Hello guys, welcome to another videos, stuff with some coolest gadgets. In today's video, we will be sharing some amazing gadgets. You can buy these gadgets, but before continuing further, kindly hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon, so you never miss any update from us. Let's continue with our video. Square Off Grand Kingdom Set. This innovative chessboard brings magic to the real world. All the pieces on this board are able to move on their own. The mechanism is smooth and silent. You can actually play completely hands-free using voice commands to move your pieces. The integrated AI plays like a human and adapts to your level, but you might play online against real opponents. All their moves will be reflected on your board. On top of that, there's a dedicated mobile app that remembers all your games and gives you some tips. The battery is big enough to hold up to 30 games. Choose games from the huge library or add your own ones. And despite all these crazy features, the set has an authentic wooden design. HiMirror Mini, mirror on the wall. Who's the fairest of them all? Not you again. Meet HiMirror Mini, the smart mirror that not only shows you your reflection, but also analyzes your skin and provides personalized skincare recommendations. Just take a selfie and let the mirror do the rest. It'll identify problem areas and give you tips on how to improve them. Plus, it'll even recommend specific beauty products for you to try and track their effectiveness and even shelf life. And if you're getting ready for a special event, HiMirror Mini can even suggest makeup looks for you to try. HigherDOSE Sauna Blanket. Are you ready to bring the heat? Wherever you go, the HigherDOSE Infrared Sauna Blanket. It'll become your portable sauna experience that you can use in the comfort of your own home or on the go. This blanket uses infrared technology to warm your body's thermal temperature, allowing you to sweat like you're working out without even lifting a finger. Not only will it give you an uplifting sensation and lift your mood, but it also helps with calorie burn, radiant skin, and even pain and soreness relief. So if you're ready to elevate your sauna game, give the HigherDOSE Infrared Sauna Blanket a try. Foreo Luna Mini 3. Looking for a way to improve your home skincare routine? The Foreo Luna Facial Spa Massager is the ultimate solution to achieving that spa-worthy glow from the comfort of your own home. It takes just 2 minutes to use, but it can remove up to 99% of dirt and oil in that time. Well, that's what the manufacturer claims. You'll also exfoliate your dead skin cells and unclog pores additionally. This spa cleansing tool makes your skin firmer and more elastic. And in case you suffer from mimic wrinkles, this device uses low-frequency sonic pulses to massage your face and to help it absorb the skincare products you're using. This reduces fine lines, especially in areas around your eyes and mouth. Ultrasonic Jewelry Cleaner. Diamonds may be a girl's best friend, but let's face it, they can get pretty dingy and dull. But don't worry, because this ultrasonic jewelry cleaner is here to make your bling sparkle like never before. Just pop your dirty diamonds in the basket. Select one of the 5 preset timers and press the button. The 42,000 cycles of ultrasonic energy will do the rest, and when the time runs out, the device will turn off automatically. Not only will it clean your jewelry, but it can also get rid of dirt on your eyeglasses, watches, utensils, and any other small items that fit in the 20-ounce water tank. So put your sparkly items to the test and let this cleaner do its magic. Shine bright like a diamond. Electric Hand Warmer. Are your hands constantly colder than a polar bear's toenails? This rechargeable stick hand warmer is here to save the day. Not only can it keep your hands toasty warm at temperatures ranging from 104 Fahrenheit to 140 Fahrenheit, but it also doubles as a power bank, plus with a battery that lasts up to 6 hours. You can say goodbye to cold hands all day long, and the best part, it's so lightweight and portable. You can easily slip it into your toiletry bag and take it with you wherever you go, so put your gloves away and embrace the warmth. SolaWave Facial Wand. This is your magic wand to reduce the appearance of wrinkles, fine lines, dark circles, blemishes, and dark spots on your face. Yes, it's literally a magic wand since it combines 4 powerful skincare technologies for the ultimate at-home spa facial glide. This QV across your face in an upward and outward movement, slowly covering your forehead, cheeks, under eyes, jaw, neck, and upper lip. The wand will automatically turn on when making contact with hydrating clean skin. Plus, it's so small you can take it anywhere you go, so you'll always have a radiant, youthful glow, no matter where you are. Altwork Station. This one's for all the workaholics out there. Thanks to this working station, you can work in 4 positions, so whether you want to sit, stand, stretch your legs, or even lie, from now on you can do that without distracting from your work tasks. I hope I won't be slapped in the face by the monitor. All the parts are fully customizable, either manually or with the buttons on the desk. This way, you'll reduce repetitive stress injuries, chronic back pain, and spinal. And don't worry, the keyboard and the mouse won't fall off the table. They're both equipped with strong magnets that keep them in place. We hope that you have enjoyed our video. Kindly give its thumb up, and don't forget to subscribe our channel and press the bell icon. Thanks for watching the video.